All right, today, since we just kind of finished up with budgeting and really looking at unit price, we're going to go through this cost of coffee assignment. And so I'm going to go over the different slides, kind of explain them to you so you understand what we need to do. So you can open this in Otis, and it's called the cost of coffee. And then most of the slides have something for you to do. Some of them are just the information. So just kind of looking through that and being aware of what you need to complete and what just helps you know what to do. So going to slide 2. And so here we're looking at what is the price of coffee and understanding what those factors are. So you're going to open up this link here, and that is where you're going to find all the different factors. So I'm looking for 6 factors, and then you should read what that means and give me one additional piece of information about it. So that you're using the link. Then you will come back here, and this is just really showing that unit price piece that we looked at. So breaking it down, what it means when you're looking at them here in the project with what is the product, how much is it going to cost me, here's our unit price. This one here, right, gives me the actual size of the product I'm purchasing and a QR code to learn more about the product and all of that. So that's just kind of for your reference, and if you have to look back to know, like, what am I looking at? And so here the first one is comparing these 2 coffees, answering all of these questions. Remember, our math is pretty basic, the price divided by the size, or here they give you the unit price, so that makes it even a little easier. Then this next one, same thing. We're looking here at this, 3 questions to answer. Slide 6, very similar, different coffee, questions. Slide 7 is also the same here. And then we're coming to slide 8. So here is another one we're going to have to open a link. So you're really looking at consumer trends. So like what's kind of the latest thing going on with coffee. So you will open this. You are going to give me 10 trends and telling me why it's popular. And then coming back here, we're just looking at 4 different coffees. Going to actually be working through the math on the next slide. So 10, 11, 12, and 13. Same thing, looking at finding the costs based on those questions. Slide 14 is calculating the cost of each cup. And then here we're looking at coffee energy drinks. So same type of thing, reading the questions. Here's what we got, prices, all of that. And then slide 16, once again, here we have this to refer to, looking at natural disasters and how it can affect coffee prices, 9 things to tell me. And then finally, you're going to wrap things up here, looking at Starbucks and the cost of that. Your questions are over here in the corner. So hopefully that makes sense, and kind of just a little bit of a fun activity to just compare prices of one product, just very different brands and sizes and all of that.